begin.
Taekwondo in the living room. Over. Right now it's in between Jake and Kendall.
I gave up on that one. Wait, no. I can show you guys how to kick.
I'll call you.
Yeah, like watch.
In a minute.
You
guys done?
Watch my kick. Front kick. Watch my front kick. But you're like, you land.
Shamble kick, we chamber. Shamble kick, we chamber. Shamble kick, we chamber. Adios.
Horse stance.
Oh, wait, Cody.
Tate, did you forget to bow?
A horse stance.
You done?
This is a horse stance.
We're calling each other. This is over.
This is over. Kendall, are you going to become a black belt?
Yes, ma'am.
This is